In this video we're going to drive through Daikoku parking area on a Saturday night. It's not necessarily a very busy night, but there's still beautiful cars, fun cars there. But for now, I just really love the way this music turned out together with this approach. This almost looks like an approach to a space station in some of the movies. Just the music and the approach and the different highways involved. Just enjoy for a little bit in silence. Approaching the parking lot. Already you can see a Hakosuka on the right. A nice last gen Celica. I used to have exactly that red one, which was really nice. Today is not a busy day, and you can see a lot of normal cars too, but interspersed between them are some nice gems. Look, the latest 3rd gen MR2, a bunch of Copens, a Civic EK, a pair of Zeds, 350 and 370. Oh, yeah, the 2nd gen MR2. So there you go. The only thing missing is now 1st gen. There's an Integra, Roadsters. Oh, from United States we have Camaro and a Mustang. Well, there you go, the muscle cars. Didn't recognize what was on the left. There are some older cars. So if you guys in the comments can identify it and tell me what it was, I'd appreciate it. Go into the next line. Oh, there is some nice cars on the left, normal ones on the right, a Trio, a Z, a Supra, and a GTR. Well, that's a JDM powerhouse. Here's another GTR, an R32, very nice. Here we're coming a whole bunch of sedans, nice Beamers and Toyotas and Lexuses on the right. We can see, well, here's another R32 GTR, Lexus, some Civics Type Rs. Look at the Godzilla eyes on the left and beside the RX-7, but you also see what looks like an 86 and a Mazda Roadster making a super complicated turn. These parking spots are on an angle, and in general, theoretically you're supposed to go in nose first on the left and back first on the right, but people park back first, so to show off their car. So that results into this parking dance that this guy's doing in the white Mazda. On the right there, you see behind the minivan and microvan, you see the Hakosuka hiding there. And here we're turning into basically JDM heaven again. A whole bunch of cars, sort of like Valhalla to the Vikings. I mean, you've got Sylvia, Z, RX-8s, GTRs, I think somewhere, well, the one on the left. So gorgeous cars all over the place. Just a nice selection. And then as you go, and obviously crowds too. And then you see an old MGB GT. That's a very nice addition. Here's a Z. Ooh, here's well, there were Germans on the left, BMWs, but here's 911. But look, French came out with their Meganis, that's nice, and a Silati. That's a nice one, right? So there it is. Again, I'm very empty in retrospect, but this place never ceases to amaze you. No matter what day, what time of day you came, night, day, whatever. It may be busy, it could be a zoo, or it could be just like this, not very busy. You will always find something interesting. interesting here, that's great because for a car fanatic like myself, there's always something to look at here. Wow, if you're into trucks, there you go. You can Google on trucks too, but trucks are not my thing. But they do drive me. Okay. And here's the straight out. A lot of people, gun it here and make a lot of noise on this straight, but you gotta be careful actually, because this corner here very quickly can take you off guard. And there's a bump here, so if you go too fast, you're gonna fly off into the thing. But there it is, the spiral of highways leading you out of the Daikoku area. So I'll leave you with the music. Enjoy, and I will definitely drive through Daikoku on multiple future occasions to show you what it's like on different days and different times of the day. Thanks, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.
Fallen one too many times, feeling like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind, looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save us, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line.